Today I will teach you how to make a custom ringtone. So first we'll go to GarageBand, then wait some, just wait some time. Then go to recent, go to plus, then go to audio recorder. It will take some time. Okay, because I'm using Bluetooth. Then we will go to, we'll stop this blue. Can you see this? This. We will turn off that. Then we'll shift it from here. It's, yes, it's like this. Then we will go here. I'll tell you where. Here. Can you see this round? Round this. Let's see. We can make a custom ringtone. Like we can choose an instrument also. Instruments, too many. You can choose your own. See. Use drum, electric piano. See. Whichever ringtone you like, just press and hold and bring it here. Okay. And then you will go to my songs. Here, tap it. And it will be saved. Then you will wait it to upload. Wait for some time. Till that, like and subscribe. And comment for more videos. Has not ended. Then you will press it. Press and hold. Share. You will click share. And you will choose ringtone. See, tap to create custom ringtone for iPad. You click it. If you want to give some name, so you can like like I'll give my channel's name. Okay, done. And now wait till to export. Okay, you will tap OK. And you will go to garage. You will go to settings. Then if it is on general, go to sounds. Go to ringtone and select your ringtone. Lakshmi. Did you see? I made this also. I'm keeping this. See, this was I was trying the customer for the first time, so this was a complete fail. I love this. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.